Brynn, can you show me happy?
Today will be paradise, as well as a complete crap show.
How nice is this beach?
Yes, it's spectacular.
Yeah.
I love it.
We'll start at a lovely remote island
You guys ready to go back?
Yeah, let's go.
Ready, Reese?
and finish by getting hit by a massive storm well at anchor.
What do you think of that?
I think we need to put our stuff in the microwave.
This will be one of our scariest moments to date. Let's do it.
You gotta talk to your daughter, she's growling.
How you doing, Brynn? Brynn, can you show me happy? Nice! Can you show me excited? Yeah, can you show me sad? Can you show me mad? She growls.
Can you show me mad?
Nice.
Brynn, can you cry?
Brynn, show me cry. That's all we get? She does better cry. Mom, can you show me cry? How nice is this beach?
Yes, it's spectacular.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
It's sightful.
No, I don't think that was fun.
It's miraculous. You can make a whole episode out of this. I'm trying to find a new word.
Oh, so nice. Our very own island, drinks in hand, and a lovely view of Calypso. Now this is quality time.
Come to Rubber. You want to come to Rubber?
We just hung out and enjoyed the day. I'd say this is hard to beat.
Stingray. Oh, look, he stopped. No, he's coming over to you.
We ended up having a little, well, not so little, visitor come say hello.
That's pretty, huh? Stingray.
That proves stingrays are here.
More? You want more? Yes.
Sometimes you get those moments that make it all worth it.
You getting bitten up, babe?
Yes.
You guys ready to go back?
Yeah, let's go.
Ready, Reese? All right, Reese, launch the dinghy.
What?
This anchorage is beautiful.
Very nice. The last one was very nice as well. And I was, you know, as you go through the Bahamas, you're like, how can it get any better than this?
I know.
And then it gets not better, but more picturesque, more, I don't know. It's
Well, the further south we get towards, like the zoom-ins would be prettier. This one's a nice beach.
yeah, a lot of protection. I'm also counting that in, you know, the protection. The
Yeah.
last one didn't have protection from the winds that are coming in, so.
Well, we came here because the winds are about to clock. They're going to pick up some weird things coming through about 1600 today.
Isn't that really weird? It's
Yeah,
just
it
a
was
band
of wind.
weather.
And then tomorrow it should be a little thunderstormy, whatever. We might move. I don't know, but this is great. We moved here mainly for protection.
I love it.
And day turned to night, and night turned into a complete crap show. We're about to get hit by some serious weather. We knew we'd have some stuff rolling in tonight, but this was ridiculous.
Yeah?
Come out here and look at this. Look at that. That's severe, like, activity. What do you think of that?
I think we need to put our stuff in the microwave.
I'm telling you, that is a lightning storm right there.
Yeah, I don't really think I've ever seen it light up like this.
It's worse. That storm right there is going directly over where we just came from.
Oh man, that boat stayed there.
Yeah, well,
Oh,
we have to make our own decisions.
yeah.
But you know, maybe you never know. This might be worse. So far, it's just lightening up. Hope not.
Okay. That's great.
This is a serious cell. The boat we knew in the last anchorage actually did push against the rocks. We didn't know it yet, but it was coming right for us too.
You watched the radar or what?
Yeah, and it's going more north, but we do have a little cell coming towards us. But so far, we don't even have any rain. It's just like mass freaking activity, lightning-wise.
I know, and we have a mast sticking up.
Yeah.
It's all right. It's all right. I hope our friends are okay. I feel like I should text her.
Yeah, test her, see if they're all right.
Hey guys, comma, you doing okay over there? Question mark. The radar looks a little rough.
Let me know how they are.
They were okay, but the boat was aground. It wasn't too much longer before it hit us hard.
45 sustained. I have it in idle forward.
Should I get the baby?
Nope, you're right there. 43 sustained. We're holding as far as the anchor alarm shows. I'm watching the anchor alarm. I'm watching our GPS. Best I can do is try to, like, I'm motoring right now forward to just alleviate a little bit on that anchor. The winds are right here. True, they're a little bit off the bow. The seas are getting rough. But, you know, best I can do is just try to keep it in the wind, watch that. We're still showing, we're going down to 39 now. Hopefully this passes fast. That's why I wanted to drop that extra chain out today. 40 sustained. Boat's definitely hopping up and down.
Yeah, I can feel it. Wow. Is it like a freak storm?
No, I mean, I knew this was, like, I knew the storm was coming. I saw on the radar. So it wouldn't be freak, you know? But,
It like hit us fast.
yeah, that's why I was like, hey, get ready. I'm hard over starboard. Because the wind is coming from right here. Just try to help a little bit. I can tell where I am right here as far as our anchor. We're being pulled hard on the anchor. I'm in both engines at idle forward. Like once I start moving forward, like the winds die, I'm gonna start moving forward, I'm gonna reduce throttle. Showing 35 knots now. Then we go to idle. 32. Hold on, let me turn this on right here. True wind, 35 right now.
Hope our boat friends are okay.
Yeah, I hope so.
They were in the middle of all those rocky islands.
Yeah.
I'm so happy we moved.
Yeah, well, so far, you know, I don't know if they got hit. They're getting hit by this, I'm sure. We're going 34 right now. I mean, we held at 50, so that's good. You can see the waves. There's not much you can do in these situations. I think about them all the time because all you do out here basically is worry. But you know, I've always thought like when you get hit by something like this and it's blowing 50 knots and it's yanking on your anchor, I've always thought, you know, if I was to start dragging, I would do my best to put the boat in gear and basically mark time, you know, help your anchor. I'm not going to send Brittany up to the bow to try to do anything stupid. If we drag into the freaking shallows, that's what we're going to do. But during that, I'm going to help my anchor by giving it power forward, reduce the drag on that anchor. The thing about this spot is we found a very small, or maybe 10 to 15 foot circle of sand. We actually dropped beforehand, it was in grass. This whole place is full of grass, and we drug like easy. So we pulled the anchor up, we had all this crap in the anchor, push it out, and Brittany found like a little patch of sand. We dropped in that sand, but it's very small. So, and I drove on it and it looked like it was in there, but it's like in a very small spot. I don't want the anchor to drag out of that spot and all of a sudden we're moving. Right now we're showing 26 knots. I showed 50 when I first started the chart plotters. That was a major storm that came through. I saw the lightning. I've been kind of watching. You can see the lightning. I don't know if you can see it behind me, but major storm. Big winds, man.
And it's starting to die down?
Well, I mean, we have like a whole system coming through us right here, so.
Oh gosh.
You know, get more. There's the lightning bolt right there. So I sent the family to the bedroom because there's lightning, but I'm just basically monitoring radar. I can see my neighbors. I just talked to them on the VHF actually and asked how they were doing. They saw over 50 knots as well. I'm watching our anchor alarm to make sure we're not dragging. I'm watching this wind speed right now. It's showing 17, which is great. We do have another band of storms, like another, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, but hopefully that front that came through is what that 50 knot was. That 50 knot stuff was, and we won't have that anymore, but that was pretty wild, man. That was a strong cell.
I'll be honest, this can be a little scary at times. You never know what might happen. All you can do is plan for the worst and do your best. In the end, our rock net anchor killed it and we didn't drag. We were also fortunate to not be hit by lightning. Our friends, although they ended up on the rocks, they were able to get off the rocks and continued on the next day. Their boat is for sale now though.
How we doing, family? That was the worst thunderstorm I think we've ever dealt with. Hopefully it's, you know, past. That was just the front of it, 50 knots, whatever. That was cooking, but anyway, hopefully it's just some lightning, some high stuff, and it moves on out.
Yeah, I mean, we're still bouncing around from it.
Yeah.
that was nuts.
That was serious.
Yeah, it was. We handled it well. We stayed calm and, you know, dealt with it. Got the kids in our safe zone, away from the mast.
Yep. And you know what? Honestly, like, it was pushed us towards the beach. Worst comes to worst, guys. We would just simply, we'd use those engines, try to help the anchor. But if we got pushed on the beach, it wouldn't go all the way up. We'd just go up there and we'd stop when it hit 4 feet, and then we'd wait. And then we'd have somebody pull us off. It'd be okay.
Did you get the radar working up there?
Yeah, radar's working good.
And our neighbors are okay?
Yeah, they're doing good.
What did you do, radio them?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
And I can watch them on radar.
Oh, they're up.
They're watching us on radar too.
Oh, that's sweet. Oh, it's so nice.
I'm telling you right now, Rachna, you guys killed it. Look at this. Hard ones, and that Rachna just helped us.
Him.
Huh?
I feel like I should text the owner.
No, well, no, that's the wrong guy. You're talking about Mantis.
Oh.
It's still rocking, which is why the camera's moving so much.
Yes,
it's rocking fiercely.
It is.
But,
really, it's like a side swell now.
Yeah.
Gosh.
We're getting pushed around. It's blowing 15. That's okay.
It's not bad. It's just a side swell. We're between like the inlet, right? So one side, it's probably just bouncing.
Yeah, it's all.
But yeah, that's, you know, crazy.
Yeah.
It's
all right,
good though.
Good commentary, baby.
I don't know what to say. I'm kind of like, I was snoozing in my bed, drinking a glass of wine, and you're like, let's go, and I'm like, where are we going? You're like, I'm like, what do you want from me? I figured I was unanchoring, trying to anchor
it's time to
this
go.
Shit.
Yeah, no, I'll never have you go up there to anchor.
Well, I am your girl, because if you told me, I'd be like, let's do it.
We probably should get the f out of here because this shit is crazy.
Coming up, we're offshore and getting far away from the berries. We'll get a taste of some fresh seafood.
We took the fish, put it in a little steel.
And I'll show you how I prepared it.
Oh, thank you for moving us.
Then we're headed further down island and taking you along for the ride. Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.